Hello everyone. In our previous video, we have discussed the important topics of circulatory system. Fine. In this video, we'll talk about the important board questions or important questions. In this video, I have compiled a few questions starting from board 2015 to 2019. I have jotted down, I have compiled a few questions from the boards which were there, 5 marker questions. So we'll go through all those questions so that you have a fair enough idea that how questions are going to come in your paper. So watch the complete video. In the comments, please mention if you require anything else, and also mention if you are liking the videos. So we'll move to our site. Before starting, again, as I always say, I request you to subscribe the channel if you like its content. Please do share it also. You can share it on your social media, share wherever you like, so that as you are benefiting, other children can also benefit. Now, the syllabus first of all. When we talk about the syllabus of circulatory system, nothing has been removed as per the new syllabus which is there for this special year 2020. कुछ भी remove नहीं हुआ है इस chapter से. The whole chapter is coming as such, so you don't have to leave anything. This is the question from the sample paper 2019 which was there for the year 2020, the paper which got cancelled. So जो आप the children who are going to now appear in this board, this is the latest question which we had. Now this question is from the blood cells. You can see the process of diaperesis is being given here. They've asked you to label the parts, and then also identification of part A is there, explain the phenomena, mention the structural difference between 1 and 2. So as I already say, every time I tell you the same thing, when one structural question is given, the diagram, the questions, 5 questions that follow, they will cover almost all the topics from the surrounding topics as well. जितने भी आसपास के questions होंगे, all of them will be covered, as you can see in this question also. We move to our next question, that is the board, that is from board 2018. Now here also the same question, but yes, of course, what have they done? यहाँ पे आपको simple एक blood smear दे दिया है. पिछले वाले में एक special event diaperesis दिया था, इसमें they have given you a blood smear, and there are different type of blood cells here. You have to label them. Now, mention 2 structural differences between 1 and 2. That means 2 types of blood cells. Name the soluble protein which is found in 4, which forms insoluble threads. Now, this here they are talking about clotting of blood. That means which is a adjacent topic, which is also there in circulatory system, but not specifically to this topic. Then average lifespan is asked. Component number 1 do not have certain organelles, but very efficient in their function. Explain. Fine, so here you have to tell about the red blood cells, that which organelles are missing, nucleus and mitochondria, and how they enable them to work efficiently. So this is a structural question which is important from this chapter. Moving to board 2017. The question is whether the structure of heart is given. देखो बेटा, structure of heart पीछे नहीं आया है कुछ टाइम से, so there are chances in this paper structure of heart can be there. So it is a chance, because last 2019 paper also the structure of heart was not there as a 5 marker. So there are chances of this question to come. Now herein you can see clearly they have asked you to label. Then lub and tup is also asked here. That means they have asked about the heart sounds also. They have also asked about the blood vessels which supply the blood to the heart muscles, coronary blood vessels. Also they have asked you to draw a diagram of cross section of artery and vein. So you yourself see that in one question they have covered all the side topics of the chapter. So this is the way the questions will be there in your paper. So we move to our next question from the board 2016. Here also structure of heart is given, but थोड़ा सा देखो क्या difference किया उन्होंने. They have shown you a stage of contraction of heart. Here you can see that the auricles are relaxing and the ventricles are contracting. अगर आपको shape देख के समझ नहीं आ रहा है तो just look at the arrows. where the arrows are going, ventricle से arrow बाहर जा रहे हैं और auricles के अंदर आ रहे हैं arrows. That means the blood is flowing into the auricles and is moving outside. So you have to tell which phase is this. You have to support your answer with that. You can talk about the arrows. You can talk about the shape. Name the parts 1 to 4. Type of the blood which flows through 2. Now part number 2 you should know what is 2. वो कैसे पता चलेगा कौन से ventricle से बाहर जा रहा है 2? That is the left ventricle. That means it is aorta. Fine. So state the function of part number 5. ये भी आपको कैसे पता? ये blood, ये they are talking about valves here. Prevent the backflow of the blood. Name the membrane that covers the heart. Here also they have covered all the side topics as well. Next is 2015 board question. This is a you can say a schematic diagram of blood circulation through the heart. Fine. So name the blood vessels 1 and 2. अब बेटा ऐसे डायग्राम में आपको एरोज बहुत ध्यान रखने होते हैं. You have to see the arrows. एरो कहाँ से it is coming out and कहाँ से it is going out. When you get this type of a diagram, सबसे पहले एरोज देख के अपने हिसाब से label it. With a pencil, just label the diagram as per you and then start looking at the questions. As I have told you in previous videos also that when such type of a labeling question comes, तो पहले अपने आप से अपनी assumptions जो हैं वो एक साइड पे लिख लीजिए पेपर के कि आपको क्या लग रहा है ये डायग्राम देख के, उसके बाद start answering because then you have a fair idea that okay fine, this is something which is there. So name the blood vessels labeled 1 and 2. State the function of blood vessels 5 and 8. What is the importance of blood vessel 6? Which blood vessel contains high amount of glucose and amino acids? बेटा ये जो है ना blood vessels you have in Selena. Basically ICSE or every school is following Selena. So in that you have a pointers at the end of the chapter circulatory system जहाँ पे सारे blood vessels दिए हैं कि कौन सा blood vessels कहाँ से enter कहाँ से निकल रहा है कहाँ से enter हो रहा है and कौन सा blood vessel में किस चीज का amount ज्यादा और कम है. Please go through that table and learn it क्योंकि that can be asked anywhere as one marker. Draw a label diagram of different blood cells as seen in a smear. कहने का मतलब this question the question which we saw where the blood smear was given and then you were asked to label the different blood vessels, that diagram will come here as a structural diagram in this last part. So you can see they have given you a diagram to draw also and they have given you multiple questions as well. So we move to our next slide and it says the gist of all the questions which you get from circulatory system. When we talk about diagrammatic questions, it can be structure of heart, it can be blood smear, it can be artery, veins and capillaries. Heart जो है बेटा सीधा heart भी आ सकता है, contraction और relaxation phase में भी आ सकता है. और circulatory system से बच्चे 5 marker question के chances are 70%. फाइन बट ऑलवेज रिमेंबर हर एक 1 मार्कर क्वेश्चंस में एक सर्कुलेटरी का क्वेश्चन होता ही है. इफ इट इज एमसीक्यूज 1 एमसीक्यू विल बी फ्रॉम सर्कुलेटरी. इफ इट इज ट्रू एंड फॉल्स 1 विल बी फ्रॉम हेयर. इफ इट इज ऑड वन आउट 1 विल बी फ्रॉम हेयर. दैट मीन्स इन एवरी objective question they give 1 question from circulatory system for sure. तो कहने का मतलब this chapter is very very important from the objective point of view. आपको पूरे chapter के pointers बना के उनको thoroughly एक बारी अच्छे से revise करना चाहिए because ये वाला जो chapter है ये section 1 में बहुत ज्यादा पूछा जाता है. So this is something from my side. Hope it helps everyone and hope you score a lot in your board exams. I am hoping that my videos are very very helpful to you, and if they are helpful, please do help me also and share the channel. Share it with whosoever you feel is going to get help from it. जहाँ भी आपको लगता है अपने पेरेंट्स के सोशल मीडिया से आप इसको शेयर कर सकते हो, अपने सोशल मीडिया से शेयर कर सकते हो. जितना शेयर करोगे, जितने लोग ज़्यादा इस पे ऐड होंगे, उतना ही मेरा भी सब्सक्राइबर काउंट बढ़ेगा, जिससे कि मुझे भी एक मॉरल सपोर्ट मिलता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. कीप लाइकिंग, शेयरिंग, सब्सक्राइबिंग.